thinks that.
Yeah,
right, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
it's up there, quick!
Right.
Quick!
I think that's enough, isn't it?
How is everything here? Is everybody dead? Yeah, we killed the guy. Mr. Cupcake, Mr. Cupcake. So y'all did a perfect job without failing.
Oh, dear.